Be sure to pay attention. This could be really important for you. Your guardian angels are sending you a crucial message. They're telling you that someone might be secretly plotting against you. It's important not to ignore this heavenly warning. Your angels have alerted us that a formal complaint might soon be filed against you. The person behind this could be angry, frustrated, or trying to stir up trouble. It's a scary thought, especially if the police get involved. But remember, the universe often helps those who stay brave and trust in its plan. Here's the scoop: a police officer might be looking for your address because of this complaint. It's serious enough that you might need to think about packing a bag and stepping away from home for a bit. The person who complained is upset with you for personal reasons, which has pushed them to act. It's understandable that this has made you stressed and might mean you have to leave your home while things get sorted out. Even though it's a tough time, try to keep your cool and trust that things will work out. I'm here to help smooth things over with the person who complained, and we'll close this case once everything is clear. This challenge is really a test of your strength and faith in the bigger picture. Though things seem messy now, there's usually a way through to the other side. We'll tackle any misunderstandings, and it's likely that the conflict will end well, letting you get back to normal. Stay strong and show you can handle tough situations. In the meantime, focus on staying positive. It's natural to feel worried, but keeping a hopeful mindset can really make a difference. When you're facing challenges like these, it's crucial to remember that you're not alone. A higher power is always watching over you, guiding you through tough times. Use your inner strength and resilience to navigate through this situation. Now is a good time to reflect on your actions and ensure you're being completely open and honest. Truthfulness can help dissolve any misunderstandings with others involved. Make sure you're ready to share all necessary details and cooperate closely with the investigators. Being forthcoming and cooperative can significantly benefit your case. When you learn that a law enforcement officer is seeking your address due to a complaint, it might feel incredibly overwhelming. It's difficult not just because of the legal implications, but also the emotional toll of knowing someone is deeply upset with you. Life involves conflicts, but when these escalate to legal matters, it indicates a severe breakdown in communication and understanding. The person who has lodged the complaint is likely holding on to past hurts or unresolved anger. Recognizing the reasons behind their actions is essential for managing your response effectively. Initially, you might feel scared or worried, pondering over what this means for your future. Such thoughts can make you feel powerless, but it's important to remember that feeling this way is a normal reaction. The key is to manage these feelings and not let them overwhelm you. In these moments, it's helpful to remind yourself of the larger picture. Every challenge comes with the potential for growth and learning. This situation is an opportunity to develop resilience, understanding, and perhaps even forgiveness. Think about the broader implications of how you handle this challenge. It's not just about resolving the current issue, but also about growing as a person. Approach the situation with a mindset of resolution and clarity. Ask yourself what you can learn from this experience. How can you improve your communication or relationships to prevent similar issues in the future? Use this as a chance to enhance your interpersonal skills and emotional intelligence. Also, consider the role of patience and time in healing conflicts. Sometimes, simply giving the situation some time can help reduce tensions. During this period, engage in self-reflection and consider reaching out for support from friends, family, or professionals who can offer guidance and perspective. Furthermore, maintaining a positive outlook is crucial. Focus on positive outcomes and visualize resolving the conflict amicably. Positive thinking can influence your interactions with others and the overall atmosphere of the situation. It might also open up new pathways to solutions that you hadn't considered before. Remember to take care of your mental and emotional health during this time. Stressful situations can take a toll, so it's important to practice self-care. This might include regular exercise, meditation, hobbies, or simply taking time to relax and do things you enjoy. Stay connected with your support network. Sharing your thoughts and feelings with trusted individuals can be incredibly relieving. It helps you feel less isolated and more supported. Plus, friends and family can offer different perspectives and advice that might be useful. Lastly, remember that every challenge in life is transient. This too shall pass, and how you handle it can set the tone for your future resilience and reactions to adversity. Embrace the journey of personal growth and stay anchored in your values and integrity. By doing so, you'll not only navigate this challenge more effectively, but also emerge stronger and more equipped to handle whatever life throws your way in the future. The key is to not let these feelings take over. Stressful times like this test how tough you are mentally and emotionally. By recognizing that stress is just a reaction, you can start to separate it from how you actually feel inside. This helps you keep a clear head. When you first get upsetting news, stop and take a deep breath. This helps calm you down and think more clearly. Try to get the real facts about the complaint. What exactly are they saying you did? What will happen next? Knowing the real details instead of guessing can make things less scary. Try not to make any quick decisions when you're upset. Give yourself some time to think things through and talk it over with people you trust. The complaint is probably coming from a personal issue, so understanding the whole story can help you handle it better. The person who filed the complaint might feel they had a good reason because of unresolved anger or frustration. This doesn't make what they did right, but it helps us understand their actions better. When you know why conflicts happen, you can see the situation differently. It's not necessarily a personal attack against you, but rather a reflection of the other person's emotions and past experiences. This shift in how you view things can help you respond with more understanding and keep your cool, even when it's hard. Feeling alone and powerless when facing such challenges is common, but it's important to remember that the universe has a way of sorting things out if we trust it. Trusting doesn't mean you ignore the seriousness of the situation. Instead, it's about believing that every difficult moment is also an opportunity for growth and finding solutions. Holding on to this belief can give you a sense of hope and stability, which are crucial when everything around you seems uncertain and chaotic. When you embrace this mindset, you prepare yourself not just to face the current issue, but to use it as a stepping stone for personal development. Challenges, while tough, can teach us valuable lessons about patience, resilience, and understanding. They push us to look deeper into ourselves and our values, and they test our ability to navigate through tough times. By maintaining a positive outlook and focusing on growth, you open yourself up to new perspectives and possibilities. You start to see that maybe this challenge was an opportunity to address and resolve underlying issues, whether within yourself or in your relationships. With this proactive approach, you're not just reacting to the problem at hand, but actively working towards a lasting solution. Furthermore, cultivating empathy is key. When you try to understand where the other person is coming from and what they might be feeling, it can transform the conflict. Instead of responding with defensiveness or anger, empathy allows you to engage in meaningful dialogue and perhaps find common ground. This doesn't mean you have to agree with their actions, but understanding their perspective can diffuse tension and lead to more constructive interactions. During these times, it's also vital to reach out for support. Talking to friends, family, or a professional can provide you with additional coping mechanisms and emotional comfort. Sharing your thoughts and concerns with others can lighten your emotional load and bring new insights into how to handle the situation. Additionally, taking time for self-reflection is beneficial. Consider what lessons you can learn from this ordeal. How can you improve your communication or emotional responses? What can you do differently in the future to prevent similar conflicts? These reflections can enhance your personal growth and emotional intelligence. Lastly, remember to take care of yourself physically and mentally. Engaging in activities that promote well-being, such as exercise, meditation, or simply doing things you enjoy, can greatly impact your ability to deal with stress and maintain mental clarity. By looking at challenges as opportunities for growth, practicing empathy, seeking support, reflecting, and caring for yourself, you build a foundation that not only helps you manage the current situation, but also strengthens you for future challenges. This holistic approach ensures that you come out of this experience stronger and more resilient, ready to face whatever challenges can often reveal hidden opportunities. By trusting the universe, you can spot these chances and make the most of them. A positive attitude can lead to positive outcomes. By focusing on trust and faith, you set up a space where solutions can come up naturally. Spend some time each day connecting with the universe, maybe through prayer or meditation. This practice can help you let go of worries and focus on the here and now. Remind yourself of how resilient you are and that you can get through tough times. This will help you not only cope with the current situation, but also emerge stronger from it. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.